Namaste. Uh, Again, I am going to teach you about the problem of material requirement planning or bill of material also. It is also called bill of materials. And what is the bill of material for producing any product? And that bill of material we prepare by, that is also known as product structure tree. Product structure tree at first we prepared. And after that we calculate what quantity of different material we require for the productions of certain quantity of that final product. So problem based on that I am going to solve, and this question is very important. Okay, every year question, this types of question asked in the examination. Sometimes 5 marks question asked, sometimes 3 marks question asked. So this is not difficult, this is very easy, and it is based on material requirement planning. Material requirement planning, and that is material management. Chapter is material management. Within the chapter of material management, there is material requirement planning, and on the basis of material requirement planning, this BOM, B-O-M, BOM, bill of material problem is based. So that problem I am going to solve. So how to solve that one? Okay, we'll go. Here problem I have already written on the board, and in the problem a manufacturing company has a finished product M. Finished product is M. Product M is made of 2 units of N and 3 units of P. Okay, solution also we are going to write solution. Okay, M is the product. M is the product, and this M product is made from 2 units of N and 3 units of P. 2 units of N and 3 units of P. 3 units of P we write like this. Okay? Yeah. M is made from 2 made M, 1 unit of M. How many N we require? 2. How many P we require? 3. Okay, that is given. N is made of 2 units of R. So again, N is made of 2 units of R. N is made of 2 units of N is made 2 units of R. 2 units of R, you write 2 units. 2 units of R and 4 units of S. And 4 units of S. It is made. And again, R is made of 1 unit of S. This R is made of 1 unit of S. S, 1 unit. 1 unit of S. R is made 1 unit of S and 3 unit of T. 3 unit of T, you write 3 unit of T. 3 unit. P is made of, this P is made of 2 unit of T, 2 unit of T and 4 unit of U. So this we prepared product structure tree. This is the product structure tree. In this way, we can easily prepare product structure tree, that is also called BOM, B-O-M, bill of material. So to produce M, these types of combinations of different materials required. This is finished. First part finished. Question is, draw a product structure tree. And second part we have now. Now in second part, question is, if 100 unit of yam are required, if that the company need to produce 100 unit of yam, then how many units of each component? How many units of each component? Yan unit, Yan, P, R, S, T, U, S, T. How many units required to produce 100 unit of yam? How many units of each component required? We have to calculate that one. Okay? So, yam 100. Listen. Yam, now, second part B. Second, I am going to calculate B. Yam 100. You write 100. That is given. Okay? And how many yan we require? How many yan we require? Yan, you write yan is equal to 2 into 100. For 1 unit of yam, we require 2 unit of yam. So for 100, how many? Yan, 200. 200 unit we require. Similarly, this yan, okay, already we calculate, and then this R, here R. So to produce, this yan, okay, to produce this yan, how many R we require? 2, here R is 2. So, R now we calculate. Okay? Here we calculate R. So, how many R we require? So, R is equal to 2n, because this n. Okay? R is equal to 2n. And this is equal to 2 into n is 200. 400 R is required. Similarly, S. You calculate S. Okay. S here, 2 S are there. One S is this one, another is S is this one. Okay. Be careful about this one. Okay. S and S. These two S we need what? This is 4 and what we write? 4. This yan into yan plus this one S. Okay? One S and this R you write. 1 R. Be careful about this one. And this is 4 into yan is 200. 200 plus 1 R is 400. Then how much? This is 800, 1200. So S is 1200 required. S is 1200. And T now. Now T, this T is also here and here. And T, how much? 3R plus here T is 3P. 3P. But we have not calculated P. At first you calculate P. So how much P? P, where P is equal to 3 into M. And 3 into M is 100. M is 100, this is 300. P is 300. Now you substitute the value. Now, what is T? T is equal to 3 into R. R already we calculate 400 plus, and then P, 3 into 300. What is the value? 1200 and 900. 12 and 9, 2100. 2100 of T unit we require. And last one, U. So U is equal to 4 into P. 4 into P, that is 4 into P is 300. 1200. So in this way, we can calculate how much unit of each component. How much unit of each component we require, we calculate here. M 100, N 200, R 400, S 1200, T 2100, U 1200, and P is 300. So in this way, we calculate total components required to produce 100 unit of M. M is the final product. So in this way, we prepare bill of material. So this is the problem based on BOM, boom, or there's a product structure tree. So this is very easy, and 3 marks or 5 marks question asked in the examination. That's all in this class, and we will meet in next class. Thank you.